We're factoring by magic. Oh, boy! This is a relatively new process on the scene. So, what do we mean when we're factoring ax squared plus bx plus c? We're factoring by magic. The first thing we do see is we take the product of a and c. What's that? The leading and lagging terms. So if I was over here, 6 times minus 35 is a minus 210. Alright? And then what? We're going to put our b, our middle term, down in the bottom. What is that? Our middle term over here is 13, so I'm going to put a 13 down there in the bottom. So now what are we doing? We're looking for the factors of 300 that subtract to be 13. It's the extreme factoring. Alright? So then, pretend I didn't write that there. The factors of 300 that subtract to be 13 are 12 and 25. Jagged! 12 minus 20. Oh, yeah. Okay, so it needs to be a positive 13. That means that the 25 is positive and the 12 is negative. Because they need to subtract. They need to be opposite signs. Oh, my phone's blowing up. What's over here? Oh! So A times C, that's minus 210. Check it! Go ahead, multiply that out. Alright, so we're looking for the factors of 210 that subtract to be 11. Oh, boy! So then, I get 21 and 10, because when I multiply these guys, I get that, and when I subtract them, I get that. That, being negative, says that this is negative, and that's positive. Alright, I write the next part of the process. What? Now that we got the factoring all written out, pretend I didn't write it there, I have this guy right here. What am I going to do? I'm going to take the factor, this one, and I'm going to divide it by A. What's A? It's the leading coefficient. This is factoring by magic. Boy, you should know what you're falling for. Alright, you're going to like this method because it doesn't make any sense, and you like things that don't make any sense, like rims that spin. Okay, so I'm gonna write that one over the leading coefficient. Alright, so then that's that. So that's minus 12 over my leading coefficient, 20. And then what? I'm gonna reduce. So magic's about to happen. Oh! So 12 and 20, they both have a 4 in it, so then that's a 3 over 5. And my factor is this one, bam, the bottom minus the top. Alright? So that's a 5x minus 3. Oh,